Did you know that people brainstorm better and solve problems better when they're in a good mood? What does this mean for you? Well, first, if you are aiming to solve a problem or be creative and come up with new solutions on your own, one idea is get yourself into a better mood. There are a lot of nonverbal behaviors that research has shown can get you in a good mood. You can start by fake laughing or by watching a comedic video that you have saved that you know will make you laugh. But if you don't want to do that, there are also opportunities for just already doing the work when you're already in a good mood. For example, I personally do a lot of my creative work at night. I'll do it at the end of the evening when I'm calmer, I'm not in the middle of a lot of meetings, and then I'm in the space mentally where I'm coming up with new solutions pretty readily that I can't just like schedule to do in a different time. What if you're with other people? Often you have to brainstorm. I love having a group brainstorming meeting. So whether you are in charge of the team or not is irrelevant to the mood you bring. The recommendation is that you bring happiness and joy into the meeting. You bring it in. You don't have to start with anything at the meeting. Just come with joy and happiness. And by you being happy, it helps to spread that happiness, those positive feelings. And other people start to become more creative and more open to brainstorming and change. So it's a little unusual, not something we talk about a lot in the world of business, but there's research that shows it. And frankly, I think it's worth a shot because it just sounds great to bring joy places anyway. I hope this helps in your brainstorming. Go be creative.